Why does your stomach sound like a monster when you're hungry? Let's find out and stop the noise in just 60 seconds. So here's the deal. When your stomach growls, it's actually called borborygmi, fancy word, right? It's your stomach muscles contracting and pushing air and food around. But how do you stop it? Tip 1, drink a glass of water. It helps calm those noisy muscles. Tip 2, eat a small snack, like a banana or some nuts. It gives your stomach something to work on. And here's a fun fact. Did you know your brain triggers these growls even when your stomach is empty? It's like your brain's way of saying, hey, time to eat. So next time, grab some water, munch on a snack and tell that growl to chill out. Stay curious and keep those stomachs happy.